Today, I'm here to share with you a new product from Vivo, the X300. This phone is a new product that will be released on October 13th. After opening it, first the phone is on the top layer, and below are its accessories. Let's take a look. The charger is a 90-watt charger, and then under the data cable there is a SIM ejector pin, a silicone case in the same color scheme, and below that a quick start guide. That's all the accessories. The one I'm holding is the X300 standard version in the relaxed purple color. This purple has a lower saturation. This phone comes in 4 colors: pure black, built-in blue, and a new lucky color. Which color do you like? This time, the standard version size has been reduced to 6.31 inches, directly replacing the position of the X200 Pro Mini. It feels very light and thin in hand, only 7.95mm and 190 grams in weight. The camera module has also been changed to a crater module. The advantage of this is that the protrusion feels very small, and it is quite smooth to the touch. This time the wave faces, the back panel glass cover has also been upgraded to a velvet glass process, making the feel even more gentle. In terms of feel, this time it's truly unbeatable. For users who like small screens, this time you can really consider this phone. Now let's power on the device and look at the front of the screen. It is already powered on, and you can see that the borders on all 4 sides are finely uniform, which looks very nice. Since the launch event hasn't happened yet, many features can't be unlocked, but pre-orders are now available with many great gifts. What do you think about this X300 phone? Feel free to leave a comment.